Catching some crawdads?
I can't find any, bud.
Why not?
I just got this one right here. It has no pinchers.
Where'd they go?
I think they fell off.
Maybe
Jesse, what do you got to say about it?
Maybe he's gonna grow new ones. He's like Mr. Krabs. He's gonna go out of his shell.
This is the first time Jesse's been on a channel. Say what's up.
What's up?
Are you gonna be back?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What is it?
GTA underscore JJJ underscore JJ underscore JK. I play GTA with Chase with Soltis Outdoors. I'll post some videos of him. Comment if you want some videos of me and Chase playing Grand Theft Auto.
He says he'll make some Grand Theft Auto videos if you guys want it.
I will be back soon.
You'll be back?
Hopefully.
Do some more fishing?
Yeah. Go get my lure. It's in the tree.
Why is that there?
Because it got stuck to my leg. I can't get it out.
What's the deal, bud?
Eat it.
I don't know what we should do with this guy. I think we should keep him.
Put him in the
pool
fish
pond.
tank?
Yeah, we should put him in the fish tank with Snappy the snapping turtle.
Yeah. First time you guys get to see Snappy.
He's a small snapping turtle. We got last year. Our science teacher gave him to him. Whoa. He just got baptized.
Like Jeffrey.
Oh. What happened, bud?
I don't know.
What happened?
I don't know. This is bullshit. Oh my god. Hey man, there's junk shot. Chase, you wet?
I'm not wet. I'm not wet though. Where's all the crawdaddies at? I bet you there's one under this rock. What's in your pants?
What's in your back pocket?
My wallet?
No, the other back pocket. There's like a piece of paper.
Yeah,
No,
there's a piece of paper.
right here.
Oh.
Hunter, why are you sagging so bad?
Where'd you go? Oh yeah.
Freaking got a close-up of Hunter's pole. Preferably don't buy loose. They break a lot.
Where'd I put my dock thing? Oh, it's still over there, I think.
This is such a weird break.
Jesse, are you gonna hold this on the way up to Chase's house?
I don't even know how this broke.
Are we going up to his house?
Yeah. You gotta put him in Snappy's. Snappy.
Alright, this is how to get knots out 101. As you can see, we got the freaking lure stuck in a tree over there. It's obviously not coming. So you gotta take your reel off. First thing you wanna do is you wanna find a twisty thing. Pull this back, take your reel off. Have your buddy hold the reel.
That's my pole, by the
You
way.
wanna get to rod. It's like spear fishing. You just wanna go.
There goes my pole, Chase. Where's my thing at?
The lure's still in the tree.
Are you serious?
Well, that's when you go swimming.
What the freak?
The sun kind of deep out here. And pretty cold. And I have a GoPro battery on me. Yeah, your lure's gone.
Really?
I'm not getting it. My balls are cold. This usually is very effective, but you must have white line on, so that's why it didn't work.
I don't know.
As you can see, I'm pretty wet. I'm ready to go home. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want any more tips and tricks, just let me know what.